Electric cargo bikes have changed the way people move around the city. Specially designed to replace cars on certain journeys, e-cagro bikes are capable of carrying a surprising amount of cargo while also being agile and easy to ride. UK-based e-bike brand Gocycle wants to change the image of its cargo e-bike from usefulness to fun and excitement. To do this, it launched the CX Series. Gocycle is known for its lightweight, foldable e-bike designs and uses this technology in the CX. The CX Plus model has a unique handlebar called Flofit, which promises high comfort and control. To do this, Flofit can be adjusted to suit the specific needs of riders, including reach and grip angle. The handlebar can also be folded for added convenience during storage or transport. Electric cargo bikes tend to be heavy and bulky, but Gocycle aims to change that with its CX series. It's made from a lightweight frame that uses aluminum at the front and carbon at the rear to promise a lightweight setup. The bike's fork and wheels are also made of carbon. The handlebar and frame can be easily folded and the seat post can be removed to reduce the size of the bike. In this way, Gocycle CX can be easily transported in the back of a minibus, train or bus. On the technology side of the equation, the Gocycle CX is powered by a 375 watt-hour battery pack that can be removed for convenient charging. Power is sent to a front-wheel hub equipped with traction control, and the bike is limited to a top speed of 25 miles per hour, in line with Europe's strict e-bike regulations. For added safety, the bike stops with hydraulic disc brakes. Riders can easily pedal along with the powertrain via a Shimano Nexus hub and Gates CDX carbon belt drive. Gocycle's bikes have never been cheap when it comes to pricing and availability, and the same goes for the CX. It is offered in two models, CX and CX Plus. The Plus is equipped with a few upgrades like Flofit handlebars and a wooden rear rack. The base model CX has a starting price of £5,999 or around $7,651, while the CX Plus will be priced at £6,999 or around $8,927. Note that sales have not yet been announced outside the UK, but deliveries in the UK are expected to begin in September 2024.